You are gonna love this. It's called Colour Sparx, and it's really amazing. It's microfine watercolor powder. It's powder, it's a powder form, and it's really, really super intense color. And it's so easy to use to create a really vivid background. All you do is just sprinkle a little bit and then spritz it, and you're gonna be amazed at the beautiful watercolor backgrounds you can make very, very quickly and very, very easily. And then that watercolor background gives you the perfect base for a mixed media project. And it looks like I've hardly put anything on, right? Very, very tiny, you can't even see it. And this is when the magic happens. You're gonna see the color like spark to life. Isn't that crazy? And just like that, we made this really beautiful watercolor background. But there are a lot of other things you can do with it too. You can take this powder and mix it with modeling paste. Here we go, with some light and fluffy modeling paste, and use that then to apply surface design. So I'm gonna grab a stencil and a palette knife. I'm gonna grab some of this light and fluffy paste. Watch how cool this is though. This is fun. And then I'm just gonna tap a little bit of powder on this. And mix that together. And then I'm gonna apply it with the palette knife onto a tag. The great thing about this is you can mix your own color. So I want to take this now from a green almost to like a bluer color. So I'm going to put some turquoise in this to kind of give it an ombre effect. See that turquoise, how that changes that? And then I can just blend these in. When I lift that up, get a beautiful ombre design. Isn't that great? So whether you're creating mixed media art or cards, Colour Sparx and products from the Crafters Workshop are amazing together.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.